welcome back. It's been a while since we've done a review, but Tuesday, December 8th, everyone was paying attention to the AirPods Max launch, and lo and behold, Logitech dropped the very first US available HomeKit Secure Video Doorbell. So super excited about this. Let's crack open the box, see what we got, and then we'll get started installing, and I'll let you know what I think. Let's go. So with our new house, we had the chance to get a new doorbell. Sadly, the Eufy, it was announced, it didn't have great audio, the wireless video doorbell we were using at the last house. And one of the other things that I was concerned about is, like, this house is so big, they actually have 2 doorbell chimes wired up to the doorbell, so you can hear, it's 3,000 square feet in a ranch. So you really need to be able to know when you're back in, like, the back section of the house, hey, someone's at the door ringing the doorbell. So I really wanted something that would work with the existing chime. I'm hoping this will work out. We'll check out the instructions and try to get this all wired up. But I am super excited for this. Let's go get it installed and see what happens. Okay, so my head's a little cut off, but this is what we're working with. Here we go. Scrunch down for you. So it's got USB-C here on the bottom, and what you're supposed to do is plug it in and actually get it set up. The nice thing is, if you've got a newer phone, let me see, we're getting a green light on it. If you've got a newer phone, I think it's supposed to auto pop. Look at that NFC. Pretty cool. And so I can just say add to home here at the bottom to the home that we're in. It says connecting the doorbell. I really dig the updates they've made. Oh, the light went blue. All right. Oh, it wants me to pick a room. All right. So the card died while I was setting it up, but I thought the setup was quite easy, quite nice. Didn't even need the HomeKit code. Just kind of, if you have an NFC enabled phone, you just drop it next to the turned on, powered up device, and it like found it and did the setup for me. So and then I just told it what room to put it in. I made a new one called Front Yard. This is the chime here. Let's see, it's eye tracking behind me, and there we go. And so we do have 2 chimes. It looks like the other chime is kind of like hooked off of this one. So I gotta try to sort out all the wires. Let me see if I can show you. You can see there's like these wires coming in here, and then we've got doubled up wires up on the chime itself. So I just kind of need to sort it all out. I'm hoping that this wire here, the back bedroom chime, is newer. And this looks like newer cable, so I'm kind of hoping that this is the power coming in and that it ties everything together here. So we'll see. Time to start putting in the chime kit. It's not working. Oh, wait. Just as I say that, it goes blue. Let's check home. Spinning, spinning. Look at there. See my look? Alright, so the doorbell works and it's getting power and it isn't alerting me on my phone, although I'll try that again. But we're not getting chimes, so I'm just going to troubleshoot that. I don't think there's any reason to get that on the video, but anyway, so far so good.
Come here, River.
Alright, so everything's installed and I thought we'd talk a little bit about how this thing functions. So we've got the different kinds of notifications. As you can see over here, this is what it looks like. So when someone rings the doorbell, you'll get a pop-up on your phone saying that someone's rung the doorbell, and you can then open it and it's got a talk button that you can hit, and then when you're done talking you hit done. So there is a two-way conversation that can happen. And then also it took a little bit of configuring because my Apple TV wasn't joined to the HomeKit home correctly since we moved, but I got that set up yesterday. I had to like remove it and re-log in, and then it added, and then actually a bunch of things started working correctly, so that was kind of nice. But as you can see, like if you're sitting there watching TV, when someone rings the doorbell, it pops up in the corner. Very happy with that. I think that's going to be a really nice feature as we're sitting there at night watching TV. If someone rings that doorbell, we'll get that notification. And then the HomePod Mini, you can see here, we'll just cut to that real quick so you can kind of hear it. And so you can see like it does the chime, and it also, if you couldn't quite hear it, it picks up or it mentions who it thinks it is if it is able to do the facial recognition. So I found the facial recognition seemed to work pretty good. I gave it access to my library that I had already set up of faces, and it was able to tell myself and my daughter. We haven't really tested it with anyone else yet. She was just helping me out filming this video. Thank you, Penny. Yeah, so super happy with that. Then the night vision, so here's a clip of the night vision right here. You can see it's very, very clear. You're getting good colors. You know, it's got that little LED strip of lights that come on at nighttime, and that seems to give it the ability to still use that camera. And honestly, I don't think it's too bright. You know, standing away from it, it doesn't stand out too much. But it gives you really nice color even far away. So I was a little surprised by that. You know, I think overall my impressions are this is a really great camera. We were able to like easily set it up, get it all installed. I think maybe a total of 2 hours with some of the troubleshooting on the chime. So it's super easy to install, super easy to set up. You know, again, that price point is just awesome. It works with the chime, which was a big thing on my checklist after having the UFI wireless. You know, it just basically bypasses your chime system, which is unfortunate if you have one. So, you know, for me overall, this is like an A+ purchase and installation experience, and I would highly recommend it. So if you're looking for a HomeKit Secure Video Doorbell, I mean, obviously it's the only one on the market in the US right now. The Netatmo will come at some point. But yeah, I can't recommend this enough. So if you're looking for something, definitely pick it up. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you like these kinds of videos or you want to catch our podcast, be sure to hit subscribe and hit that bell so you'll get notified when these things come out. And as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.